IoT Internet of Things Father of IoT, Kevin Ashton rapidly expanding tech current trend and growing topic. IoT a large NW of NWS connecting smart devices, sensors. First IoT device Internet Toaster by John Ronke. IoT can use in various domains. IoT is shaping up to bring the next revolution in computing and information techs. IoT is an umbrella term that refers to the billions of physical objects or things connected to the internet. Diff names: Smarter Planet, M2M, the fog, sensors, basic tech. C2 IoT, M2M, Web of Things, what, Cyber Physical System CPS. CAR. DYN, self-adapting, self-configuring, interoperable COM, protocols, unique identify, integrated into Inform NW. Purpose: to connect any device and object to internet, to collect and share inform, remotely monitor. IoT level 1 to 6, 4 IoT stages: capture data, analysis, process suggestion, corrective measure. Struct: IoT can be viewed as a gigantic NW consisting of devices and computers connected through a series of intermediate techs where numerous techs like RFID, wireless connection may act as enablers of this connectivity. Physical design: the things in IoT usually refers to IoT devices which have unique identities and can perform remote sensing, actuating and monitoring capabilities. How IoT works: sensors, devices, connectivity, data processing, user interface. Types: consumer IoT, commercial IoT, military things, IOMT, industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, infrastructure IoT. Features: connect, analyze, integrate. Types of IoT data: equipment data, enemy data, submitter data. Uses IoT in mobile: GPS tracking, mobile gyroscopic, adaptive brightness, voice and face detection. Criteria for IoT platforms: scalability, usability, UPLI NV, connectivity, security, data aggregation and MNGN-MNT. Criteria for IoT HW platforms: memory, scalability, process power, wireless capabilities. Types of IoT boards: MC-based boards, single board computers, SBC, system on chip, SoC, boards. HRDWRE platforms: Arduino, RPI, Intel Galileo and Edison, BeagleBone Black, Udo Parallella. M2M, SDN, SW Define and Wing, NFV NW, FN Virtualistin, SNMP Simple NW, MNGMNT Protocol, NetConf NW Config Protocol, YAN. Tech.ADC Analog to Digital Converter, Serial Peripheral Interface, SPI, Interintegrated Circuit, I2C, UART, Phase Width Modulation, PWM, IoT NW types, Cellular NWS, LAN, PAN, LP1, Mesh Protocol, IoT tools, Home Assistant, Arduino Device Hive. Generic block diagram of an IoT device. An IoT device may consist of several interfaces for connections to other devices, both wired and wireless. I/O interfaces for sensors, interfaces for internet connectivity, memory and storage interfaces, audio-video interfaces.